Hi everybody, this is Tara with Handmade by Tera. I had a customer and a friend and an artist ask me if I was able to make a mask that doesn't go behind the ear. She has hearing aids, so she's having an issue with her hearing aids popping out because of the behind the ear. She does love my masks. She said they're very comfortable, but she was just wondering if there was a possibility to make it so it was behind the head instead of behind the ear. So this is what I came up with. It is a crochet drawstring. I've got a toggle so you can lower or tighten it and loosen it right there. And then it's got a loop at the bottom. Now, it's the same mask that I always have. Same size, same double thickness with a pocket. But this one, you put over the head. Pull your hair out, set it up to your face. Pull the other end over your head, tighten it up, and toggle down. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this new product. I'm so excited. They are machine washable. I recommend that you take the toggle off. You can just pop it off, and then when you're done washing it, pop it back on. It's really easy. So please check it out, and I'm excited about my new product. Thank you. Take care.